Ya enjalo bafowethu njengoba sesishilo bafowethu sesikhulumile no Maluma Karabo Bunolo sedirile isikhathele siloku sifa inhlebo nayo yonke lento so into engifuna ukuyisho nokuyilemukisa abantu ukuthi bafowethu okungenzeki kwabanye abantu kuyenzeka kuProfessor Siyami Mkhuleni njengoba ngishilo ngisasena le ndoda ngivali kahle for manje sisithatha ibreak so sihlukana le ndoda nga Saturday evening
where's my social life
sihlezi nje siloku sidika indaba BraKB
siyabonga prof before we go prof we know ukuthi in South Africa, well, let's say the whole continent, one of the biggest problems is umthejula. Umthejula has gone up by probably 1,000%. So umthejula, even if it's for a day, umthejula ngizobuyisa success. Sometimes umthejula forever, sometimes umthejula uphila strike ingqondo yakho. Sometimes ukata maso ngathi uyafa. Siyakuthatha. Into engwarisayo ukuthi sekuthejula nabantwana manje, which is bad. Because sometimes people don't understand how child trafficking works. Child trafficker don't even need to touch abantwana or ponze emotweni anymore. There's a new way now that is rising yokusha abantwana. Basase jardini. Umntwana phuma athi nge tuck shop ngiyabuya and doesn't come back. And people don't even know how did that happen. And it's even bad because they use abanye abantwana to get to abanye abantwana. So guys, it's bad. But ukthejula umqondo, it's one of the, I think personal numbing is one of the things that I fear the most because you're never even aware. So when instead of, because if at least to 12 is more difficult to thejula, but if ungatwalanga unemithi every week, it's easy. So sinekayende la ekaya that you use wena we use behind the walls for people that are close to you. Ngalomkhuba wakho ucale last year December ukunika abantu izinto ongafanelanga ubanike so uqhubekele futhi ubanika ukayende to make sure ukuthi abathebuleki abantwana abathebuleki umfazi akathebuleki into uyifaka ekhaya ukuthi ivikele umuzi. Ucela usitshele ngokayende uthi kayende the time umkhanda what was on your mind and then what do you use him for and nokuthi uzomthola kanjani but just step by step ukuthi ipurpose yakhe yes was to stop ukuthejulwa but what was on your mind when you created ukayende.
Kuvukela kuloku KB kuvuka kimi mangihlezi ukuthi kunabantu they don't believe ukuyinyangeni they end up bathethuliwe they end up badloyiwe so kunabanye they will go enyangeni but not all of them so ngabona ukuthi kusizana ukuthi 5 of us ejardini 3 are believing in African medicine la ithandwa zethu ezimbili lezi azizwisisi indaba yimi. And then we end up dying not knowing ukuthi lezi zinto esizisebenzisayo azikhona protect everyone endlini because of uwe nami esebenzisa umuntu udirile ubunolo they don't so I say to myself what can I do to protect people by ukuthi bashone kabuhlungu or balinyamalale kabuhlungu bangazeki ukuthi bakuphi kanti bathetshiwe basebamkhofu ngabe sengihlala phansi ngiyajula ngathi no ithi ngiyakhe nasi induku yami ezovikela wonke amasulu.
So are you saying kayende extends to even nami ngazi endlini ukuthi I'm protected?
Yes. Okay. So ngaza nendawo ukuthi kayende let me build ukayende azokwazi ukumela nalo othi yena akawudli umuthi esilonga la ejardini la uzoba protected because of izombamba umoya wakhe even noma saphuma esitolo ayithi yamlandela le moya ngeke because of undercover ukayende.
Okay, all right, so ispoke ukayende noma yini
induke namandla qalile lo baba yeah ukayende uyispoke BraKB.
Okay,
kujiki.
Oh, all right, okay, cool. So sharp nginomndeni or ngine family or whatever ngifuna ukayende ngifika la i-process senza
La uthola into yakhona seyi-ready.
okay
Uma ufika thina sikunika lento uyoyibeka ekhaya.
okay
Uma uyibeka ekhaya ngisho ukuthi umndeni wakho uyobuphelele. Uyobe seyiconnecta nalabantu bala ekhaya bonke. Yona self ukuthi kunosimangela kunobani bala ekhaya. Izokwazi ukungamela bona bahamba noma basedrobheni ibangamele noma bakuphi ibangamele. Uma sikhuluma ngokungamela sikhuluma ngokuthi iba protective.
okay
So noma ungafika ngisho yazi ukuthi kunalabantu ukuthi basebenzisa nabantwana babantu bamba lo muthi ufuna ubambe lo mntwana lo. You understand? Even noma bafika lo mntwana bambamba, nothing will happen.
but obviously I need to be fanele ngicatshwe to connect this guy and there's no way.
Wena baba ozomlanda wena mama ozombamba ngingangithi ufika seka ready sisebenza wena
Okay.
ukuze akwazi kuyongena kulwamuzi wakho
Okay.
akwazi kumela yonke lenkinga.
Okay, how much is Kaende?
Kaende is 8K.
8K.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. And ngeke sithejule lapho.
100% KB because ukubethela siyabethela but ucina umuzi ukuthi umthakathi angangeni but ukuthejulwa is another issue ngoba omunye uzothi prof mara ke re utlilwa tlo thega motho wa ikisanita kaende gane kaende wa nyaka is different ke intwela o ilwela ukumisa mimoya yasemkhathini yokuthebula the person ukuthi unomuntu brakb otovela duge nje but hayi since why edrobheni asabuyi since waya kuphi uma ungakhumbula ama cases anjalo epolice station
it's a bar
uthola maningi missing person agraega muthu utsamayi so umkhovu somewhere eDelmas ulima masimi lemaplazini so ingako ukuthi kufuna silwe nayo lemimoya ingoba besiyenza singayi-advertise noma singayikhulumi ngayo ngoba besibona ngathi akunasidingo but the high of missing people are so much.
Yeah. Okay, I not deposit guys, it's 8K. It's actually supposed to be 10K, but it's 8K. Angazi ukuthi umuso munga uphuma kuphi. But bazonithola bathingi na nyapha. Prof, nyabo.
Thank you so much bafutha. Sibonaneni.